This is me, and I am here. It's Animal Jam. What do I sound British? Oh, that looks like a cookie fan. You see? See her? Cookie fan. Mini swirl. I'll show you her. Hang on. Mini swirl. Yeah, she's a cookie fan. I mean, well, she's been on recently, but yeah, she's really awesome. I love you, Cookie Swirl. See, you're so cute. Look how cool she is. But I'm here to play Best Dressed. I'm gonna play Best Dressed. Only because it gets me a lot of gems and because it's my favorite game, yeah. But I'm going to be a different animal. What animal should I be? Let's be a lynx because lynx rock everything. Yeah, I'm so fancy. You're already know. Whoa, that's weird. I'm in a fast lane from here to Tokyo. I'm so fancy. Can't you take this time? I'm in a fast lane. Don't you know? I'm bored. Pet the little angel. Oh no, here we go. Read the bus on the radio. Every single song is about you. Every second that we spend left a mess up in my head, got me so distracted and confused. Baby, I think I've lost my mind. Feels like I crashed into my life. I keep on losing track. That's so cute. And I'm doing this. Oh, okay. I was singing that for my second. I'm so messed up, yeah. I'm so messed up, I can't say what I did tonight or even yesterday. But I do is a car. Excuse me, what's my name? Someone gave me these clothes. I can't remember. I am so weird. Okay. I'm as a turtle snake. I just can't forget about you. Oh, I just can't forget about you. Hey, Zoe. Where am I? Oh, where am I? Oh, I'm a lynx. Oh, I'm just all over in here. I couldn't remember where I was. Whoa, mutants, yo. Today I feel like running naked through your street. Get your attention. I am so weird. Okay. Wow. Oh, I got this. Boom. No. Boom. I broke up with my girl, so tell me where I'm at. They sound a lot better than that, I swear. I did a mention. Wow.
Tyler,
Yeah?
you think chicken, mashed potatoes, and a biscuit kid will be enough?
Yeah.
You don't need a vegetable right now?
No.
Okay.
I know why. That was my mom. Finish. Okay, let's just do this because. I'm gonna do him. Oh man, I wanted to do this. I'm gross. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 4 votes, baby. One time I got 6 votes. That was so cool. Brightest. Oh, I got this. Dun 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 dun. Dum 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 dum. Back. That's too cute. I'm gonna do it. If I don't put that in a car, I'm adorable. Oh, it's bright. That is really bright. Still mutant seal wolf right there. No other wolf. I got that part. I got a vote. I got the vote. Angry. How could that cute little face being angry? Seriously. When I was little, that vampire mask always scared me. Third place, oh yeah. The weirdest. Oh yeah. Random. 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 Yeah. Just totally taking advantage of the spikes. Perfect. I'll go for the less obvious. She's not weird, I promise. I just voted for her because she doesn't get much votes because she's not dressing. So. Oh yay, we got first place. Weirdness. I am clean. Excuse me. That is so cute. Definitely the penguin. How many gems do I have? Yeah. Oh yeah. Do. Oh yeah, I'm rare. I'm just kidding. Yeah. I love these. So cool. Unfortunately, I need my widow hat back on. No. How did magic look in them? Looks weird. Okay. What friends are on? Oh, awesome sauce, Black Pelt, and James. Okay. Well, bye guys. Actually, let's go buy something. I just don't feel like working. Should we buy something in the den? That's cool. This is actually cool. I'm gonna get this because I want it. No. You know what? Let's see what else is back here. Golden roll cake. You know what? I want. I want the ruby. Yeah. Oh, I got a jamagram. Sure. Dun, 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 dun. Did I pass my leg cuffs? No. Okay. Good. Well, guys, bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.